When I originally wrote this success secret, I was thinking specifically of the prospect. But what about the salesperson? Salespeople can often sell certain kinds of buyers who are like they are from a behavioral perspective. But what about the buyers who are not like they are? When it comes to mastering the quantification of pain and making sure there are compelling reasons to buy, few salespeople master the skill to get to the truth. How many salespeople can and do ask the tough questions and have pain-finding questions internalized? But that is what it takes to be on the top of the leaderboard. Sometimes it's easy. Some buyers just flat out tell you what they want with their wallet in their hands. With the changing world the way it is, isn't it a good idea to try to develop a following among small business owners? They obviously have better access to the resources to buy than most individuals and can make multiple purchases. By the way, we have a weekly web-based workshop as part of our program. This is one of those things we help people with, and we look forward to working with you.